Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Today we will learn about the program to determine whether a number is a palindrome or not. This is our program number 6 and we are following the NCERT syllabus mainly for practical exam and for CBSE board. But I think those who are from different board, these programs are very common program and we should practice these programs very well to know the language as well as for our exam preparation also. So this is the program for palindrome. Now the question is that what is a palindrome? First we should know what is a palindrome. Look, palindrome. Palindrome may be a number or maybe a word. This is our program for the number. Palindrome number. Here we use number. On another day we will do some program for word also. Now what is palindrome? Palindrome means, for an example, here we enter a number 121. So we are taking here 121. This is our given number. Okay? Given number is 121. Now if we take the reverse of this number, reverse means reverse. This will be here and this will be there. So after reversing this number, we again get 121. When the given number is equals to the reverse number, means this is a palindrome number. Clear? This is the concept of a palindrome. And what is the concept here? We are implementing in this part of our program. This is a Python program. So we now concentrate on the programming code snippet. Okay. So let's start. Look, same line num. This is the variable to take the user input. Okay. So int means integer data type and input is the method to take the user input. Now enter a number and number will be given here by the user. Next variable is temp. In temp we assign the num. Num means the value which is given as an integer value by the user itself, and temp equals to num. Then there is another variable rev num. Rev number means reverse number. In short, I just write down this like this, the initial of rev underscore for number in O. This is reverse number. Whenever I go through the program, I will say it as reverse number. Okay. So reverse number equals to 0. This is assigned as 0. Now here is a while loop also. While num greater than 0 colon. This is the syntax of while loop used in Python programming language. The colon is the must. Now while num greater than 0, digit is another variable and in digit we store this value. What the value? By taking modulus of that particular number, given number, modulus of that particular number is here. Now reverse number, again in reverse number we assign like this, reverse number multiplied by 10 plus digit. This is the main line. This is the actual line which will give you the reverse of the given number. I underline it properly. This is very, very important line. Now see, next line. After this particular part, we assign num as num divide by 10 and the integer value will be taken here. Okay, those who are new to my class, I will like to explain something that in my previous videos. You please follow all those videos because there I discuss so many things. This is not possible for each and every program to discuss elaborately, right? So here we use integer division. That means you will get the integer value only. No floating value will be considered here as 2.5 or 5.3. Not like that. If there is anything like that 5.3, it will give you 5 only, the integer part. So this is integer division used in Python programming language, and the notation is look like this. Okay, num, this one. If temp equals to reverse number, print the number is a palindrome, else print the number is not palindrome. The program is completed here. And the output section, when you execute the entire program in your computer in the platform of where Python program runs, you execute it, you will get the output here. Enter a number. I am giving here 121. Then the output again gives me that the number is a palindrome. Okay. So now this is time for dry run. This is the way I used to teach that dry run means. In your mindset, you can see each and every line, each and every section will execute in the programming part. So come here and look at the dry run section. This is very important part, right? Because all these programs are available in internet. You can get this one, but this section is not available. Dry run. This is only given by a teacher, a mentor. Okay, so let's start. Dry run section means what actually happens. See, now the first part, num equals to, what is num? Enter a number, and this is integer. What is the integer here? 121. Okay, so 121 is taken here. Now temp equals to num. Temp equals to num equals to 121, so temp equals to 121. Now reverse number equals to 0, as it is, it will be there, while num greater than 0, 121 greater than 0, yes, obviously, then digit, we will collect the digits of the particular given number. Digit will be taken like this, num modulus 10. When we take the modulus part of 121, we will get what? We will get 1 only, right? We will get 1. The last digit taken here, number 1, and reverse number equals to rev number. Reverse number, the first assigned value was 0, right? The first assigned value was 0. So we will do here 0 multiplied by 10 plus digit. My digit value is 1 here in this step, and that's why we will get rev number equals to 1, because 10 into 0, that is 0 only. This is, you keep it in a box, and after that num integer division by 10, that is, what is the num value? 121. Now when I do this 121 division of 10, we will get what? We will get 12, right? 12. This is the step 1 part. This is step 1. Now step 2. Step 2, the entire coding will be happened here also. For step 2, when num value equals to 12. So num value equals to 12 obviously greater than 0, right? 12 greater than 0, while loop. Again come here, while loop, and digit. In digit you will collect the modulus section, num 12 modulus 10. You will get what? You will get 2, right? So rev number, that is reverse number, equals to reverse number. Previously we get the reverse number in the box, and that's why 1 into 10 plus the digit value. Digit, the instant digit value we get here, digit 12 modulus 10, that is 2. So this will be equals to 10 plus 2, that is 12. Okay, so reverse number is collected here. Again, num equals to, what is the num value? Num integer division 10, it will give you 12 divided by 10, that is 1. 1. Again 1 greater than what? 1 greater than I am doing here. Step 3. Step 3, down value 1. 1 greater than 0, right? 1 greater than 0, while loop again started, and digit value will be collect 1 modulus 10. Digit value 1 modulus 10, 1 modulus 10, that is equals to 1. Now you get the reverse number like this way. What is the reverse number? Reverse number into 10. What is the last reverse number we get? We get 12 here. So write down 12 into 10 plus 1 digit value. So 12 into 10 means 120 plus 1 equals to 121, right? Okay, so we get this one. Now the num is completed. There is no other section, right? Num modulus, num, we don't now execute this one because all the digits are collected. 1, 2, 1, all the digits are collected. So while loop is completed here. Clear? While loop completed here. While loop completed here. Now what we do, we get the reverse number. Now if statement will be executed. If statement executed, temp equals to rev number. Temp, what is the temp value? Temp value 121, and we never changed this value, right? In the entire section, all the steps, temp is equals to 121. See, there is no changes in temp value. So now the if statement will execute this part, that is temp equals to rev number. What is the value of temp here? Temp equals to 121, and as well as rev number equals to 121. So temp and rev number equals to, both are equal. That's why it will print the number is a palindrome. Okay, if there is another number, maybe 123, then this will not be equal and it will print the number is not a palindrome. After the while loop is completed, then the if statement is executed, and then the ultimate output will be given like this. So this is the entire way the machine execute a program, in the logical part, right? This is the logic, actual logic, how it works, how the code snippet works. So you people do one thing, you people just write down the program here along with this palindrome as definition and with this output as well as the dry run. This section is very important and this is not available in internet, I think so. The programs are available, but this section is important to understand properly. Those who are very struggling to know what is the program, how to write down, what is the logic, actual logic, these are the logic and this is the way to learn properly. Okay, so for today's lesson this is completed, and next day we will learn something new. Some new programs will be there. Till then, take care and practice more and more. I think you should practice it properly, and next day we will meet in another class. Okay, so thank you for watching.